betrayal. It is the time for solidarity. We must reject the actions of those who, for their own interests, seek to weaken us, seek to divide the party, seek to share it and divide it in this name. I remain committed to leading this party in the right direction, one that aligns with the hope and aspirations of Nigerians. We have much work to do. The beautiful ones are not yet born in Nigeria, but they will be born through our collective efforts. We must nurture this party, for it is the only true vessel that can deliver the change Nigeria so desperately needs. I have watched with astonishment a viral video where the governor of Abia State, His Excellency Dr. Otti, stated that he was told by INEC that Edo and Odo elections for Labour Party are in jeopardy due to my mismanagement of uploading polling unit agents. In my usual way, or in my usual style, I would not have responded to the statement. But for the records and for the manner in which that video has gone viral, it is imperative on my part for the future for us to put the records straight. Following the controversies with the Edo Governorship candidates, the access code for uploading of polling unit agents for Edo was handed over to Barrister Olumide Akpata to enable him to upload his polling unit agents. We have acknowledgement letters that was used to forward that access code to Barrister Olumide Akpata. I was not, and the party was never involved in the uploading of polling unit agents for Edo State election. The access code for uploading polling unit agents have equally been handed over by INEC to the Ondo Guba candidates. In the same video, Dr. Otti also referred to the flouting of a Supreme Court judgment, which according to him may affect our party candidates in 2027 general election. I want to say clearly that I'm not aware of such Supreme Court judgment. I've never cited it. I was not a party to it. Who are the parties to that judgment? We didn't know. And that's why today I stand in my honor to challenge His Excellency Dr. Otti, the Governor of Abia State, to make available to the public the Supreme Court judgment that he talked about that necessitated his action. However, if he is referring to the so-called consent judgment being paraded by Femi Falana, SAN, and the Nigerian Labour Congress, then I need to school him as follows. Because if you appear as if he was speaking from the point of ignorance, I will therefore need to properly educate him on the issue of this consent judgment. The terms of settlement made judgment of court in 2017 have been fully complied by the Convention of 2019. The only thing in that consent judgment was that we should have an all-inclusive convention. And if you look at the composition of the convention, if you look at the constitution of the party, composition of national convention, it already defined who and who should participate and be in the National Convention. And so that agreement, we have fulfilled it, and we held our convention in 2019. Moreover, the Court of Appeal in 2022, in appeal number CA ABUJA CV 702/2022, between Comrade Salisu Mohammed and Chief Callistus Okafor and 13 others, described that consent judgment as an abuse of court process. I therefore